don't feel bad. Sir given someone replay, he didn't given to me replay. There's no partiality. That's purely based on my time, my free time. Okay, but I will try my best. Clear? Because you are not able to talk to each other, that's why you don't 100% your understanding or not. That's the main thing. Just follow right now instructions, revise our notes properly, and try to practice. If possible, you can download some materials also available. If anyone you needs, I think so Murli sir will provide material. If still you need something, anything, material, something, you can WhatsApp me. I may share you some PDF regarding some basic concepts. Clear? Fine. But let me know your problems you are not understanding. If unless you are not telling right now, you are not share with me, I won't get any dream. Some X% got doubts. He didn't understand. Clear? That's why you need to ask. You have to practice. That is the way. You have to think. Change your thoughts and your ideology also. Yeah, there is no like that your school teachers. We are coaching purely whatever you have doubt. That is doubt is small doubt or big doubt doesn't matter. If you have doubt, you have to ask your teacher. Even not now, even in future also. You are going to be study with any teacher, whatever reason. That's if you have even small doubt also, try to ask your teachers. Change your methodology. You are preparing for JEE, okay? Any entrance exam, you need to change. 10th standard is different completely. Even you didn't ask single doubt your teacher, hardly chemistry or physics, they have one book. That is also small book. If you had that one, you'll get 10 marks. But that is not the situation here. If you're not understanding means we can't solve. We can't compete with other people. Okay, we are losing some concepts. Okay, fine. We'll start. List few things. Let me know what we done last class. Either you can show your notes through this is otherwise please type that one. What we done last class. I didn't remember. Clear? You may can share through chat box. What we done, sir? Able to see. Okay, AMU derivation I given. Is it correct? After that, anything? Okay, atomic mass, average atomic mass I given. We solved any problems? Are average atomic mass problem I given? Wait. Okay, they are trying to show. Average atomic mass problems also done. Is it correct? One problem you done. Okay, fine. So up to that average atomic mass we discuss. Is it clear, everyone? The average atomic mass you got? How to solve if they given problem? Okay. Next, gram atomic mass or gram molar mass of an element given any siding. Gram atomic mass. No, we didn't given. Only average atomic mass we completed. Is it clear? We didn't given any other things. Okay, no problem. So did you understand average atomic mass? If they given percentage, how to calculate? Array, who joined newly? For them, we can't discuss everything. Okay. If possible, any one of your friends is there, please take WhatsApp images to them and try to read. If you are not understanding, I will keep even extra classes for you people. Okay. You can just coordinate with who are conducting online classes. Host is there. You can coordinate with those people, all people. We can take one day, all which is people are absent or something. We are not able to attend those classes. We'll discuss again. I'm not going to believe anyone. Ultimately, you'll get very happy with respect to chemistry. Your chemistry subject is my responsibility. Okay, you don't worry that one. But just contact with him. One day we can decide that is okay. We can take after all the classes over, then you can get. So average atomic mass we given. That's why I'm asking. You have to revise everyday class notes. That's why you need to change your preparation method. You have to revise. I'm not going to be revised again last class briefly. This is not the way that is. One class we done means you have to revise completely. Unless you have doubt, you can express your doubt, we'll discuss. You have to revise yourself your class notes. When we are discussing at the time only, we are spending time to understanding purpose. Okay. At the time, you have to concentrate 100%. And now we have something time, that's we are asking, sir. In future, we don't have time. One time, one concept. Who are able to understand, that's we can see. And remaining thing, your own interest, you have to come back. Clear? Fine. Try to understand. Don't misunderstand me. That's the only situations. If you want, I can give few minutes. See, we have chemistry approximately more than 15 chapters 11th standard. More than 15. Okay. And these 15, how many working days you can find out? Later you can calculate this one. After that, how many working hours per day? Working hours. After that, for chemistry, how many hours? Mostly you may get chemistry for how many hours? By taking this is to complete this 15 chapter full 100% like IIT advanced, there is no sufficient time really. Okay. In that situation, suppose you are neglecting time, maybe we can see tomorrow we can study, later we can study, all these type of thoughts that won't work. Try to understand. So you should be highly active mode. One time more than enough, you should be think like that. I will repeat 100% within the same class. I will repeat. I will discuss very clearly. You don't worry that one. But you should be change your ideology and understanding levels. You can increase slowly. If you are concentrating, everyone you can understand 100%. 100% you can understand. No doubt at all that is. You have that much IQ levels, okay, and memory power. You have that one. You have that much thinking ability also. There is no here weak student, strong student. Only interest is the matter. Some people are more interested. That's why they are able to understand first time even we are taught. Some people they can understand little bit. Maybe previously they don't have little bit basics. That is the reason. But once we thought if you practice that is we can get. Clear? Don't worry. We'll discuss. But if you are not attended classes, please contact with our seekers staff. Okay, means those are people, and request them. We can take. Okay. For lagging classes. Is it good? I think so we are going to be take that is soon. You don't worry that one. And now I am going to be discuss here. We are continuing next class. Means last class we are continuing. You can see. I think so up to fractional or average atomic mass completed. And now just note down very simple things. All these things. Gram atomic mass or gram atom. Gram atomic mass. Atomic mass or gram atom. Clear? Atomic mass or gram atom. Right. Right. Gram atomic weight also known as, note down the statement. Let's start. Try to note down statement. I'm going to repeat maximum 2 times. Try to be concentrate everyone and note down. Okay. Right. Because you can discuss still more important concepts. You can't waste because of the small things. Right. Gram atomic weight also known as molar mass. molar mass. Molar mass of an element. Of an element. Of an element is defined as is defined as weight of Avogadro's number of weight of Avogadro's number of Avogadro's weight of Avogadro's. Okay, weight of Avogadro's screen is not able to see screen. Wait, can share again. Are you able to see my screen? Now you can see. Are you able to see my screen now? Okay, okay, fine. Now we can see gram atomic mass or gram atom is a siding. I am repeating one more time. Please note down. Gram atomic weight, also known as molar mass of an element, is defined as weight of Avogadro's number of weight of Avogadro's number of atom of that element in gram unit. Of atom of that element in gram unit. Simply this is, note down again one more simple definition, very simple, you can remember this is easily. When numerical value of atomic mass of an element is expressed in grams. The value becomes gram atomic mass. The value becomes gram atomic mass or gram atom. The value becomes gram atomic mass or gram atom when numerical value of atomic mass of an element is expressed in grams. The value becomes gram atomic mass or gram atom. Let's see this definition, you can write yourself. Nothing. Simple definition is, if you are expressing atomic mass in grams is called gram atomic mass. For example, hydrogen atomic mass we are expressing in grams, that is we called gram atomic mass, 1 gram. Write that simple sentence. Helium, what is the atomic mass? 4. If you write that unit is gram, that is 4 grams. Clear? We are expressing in grams, atomic mass we are expressing grams, that's we called gram atomic mass or gram atom. Next we can take boron, approximately are taking 10.8. So you can take 11 grams like this. You can take carbon. How much? 12. You can add these grams. This we call gram atomic mass. So now I am going to discuss one important one. Even oxygen you can write 16. You can add grams, 16 grams. Clear? Neon, how much? 20 grams. So by adding grams, that's we call gram atomic mass. At the screen are able to see fine, that's only. Okay, I am not sharing my video. If are able to see screen, that's more than enough. What you can see my face, nothing, huh? Even I'm not that much great, good figure. Huh? See, just see that is video are able to see or not. Sorry, that screen. Suppose what the finally meaning of this writing? If you're expressing atomic mass in grams, is called gram atomic mass. That's a simple word. Nothing to write all these things. One word you can write. Simple word you can make. Don't make difficulty. If atomic mass were expressed in grams, is called gram atomic mass. One word enough. These are the examples. Note down. Clear? Now, actually, I'm giving what's the meaning of this gram atomic mass. Array, keep in mind this word. Actual mole concept I'm going to discuss again. Like mole is there. Mole. This is the one of the unit. This is 1 molar. You can take mole. This is unit to measure. This is the unit to measure chemical particles. Okay, we are using this the unit to measure large number of atoms or ions or molecules. We are using mole. This is one of the unit. Like 1 dozen. What's the meaning of 1 dozen? 12 things. Is it correct? 1 dozen. 1 dozen of banana or 1 dozen mangoes. What's the meaning? 1 dozen word you are using means automatically inbuilt how many is there? 12. Is it correct? 1 dozen means automatically inside is 12. Like 1 mole I'm using anywhere. Are you understood this point? 1 dozen means how much? That number? 12. Is it correct? You understood that point? Same way, I mentioned somewhere 1 mole. 1 mole means it have one value. What is that value? 6.023 into 10 power 23. So whenever I measure, sorry, I'm expressing mole means you have to keep in mind that value this is. 1 dozen means how much? 12. 1 dozen means 12. 1 mole means this is the number. Clear? Any doubt here? Is there any doubt for you now? 1 mole means this is the number. 1 dozen means 12. Like dozen only. I'm using dozen general outside, but we are using for chemicals and ions is the very small particles or lightest particles. That's why I'm using mole. Blindly remember this is 1 mole means how much that is? Avogadro number. Can you remember right now? Take challenge. How many people can remember this number? 1 mole means Avogadro number. Clear. Now, already previously discussed, 1 atom weight already we discussed, AMU. Okay. Atomic mass means AMU. If suppose I mention here, H2 weight is, okay, H2 weight is 2 grams. We are measuring 2 grams, meaning this 2 grams is not 1 H2 atom weight. Array, 1 atom is, we have to give only 1 H2 atom weight. How much 1 H2 atom weight? 2 AMU. I hope we discussed previous class. Okay. 1 H2 atom. Array, AMU discussed or not? 2 AMU. Fine, good. Otherwise I forgot. 1 H2 atom means AMU. You have to mention AMU, 1 atom weight. But generally I am giving H2 weight is 2 grams I mentioned. 2 grams means 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecule. These are molecule, sorry, molecules. If I am keeping here H hydrogen atom weight is, how much hydrogen atom weight? 1 gram. 1 gram meaning how many atoms weight 1 gram? Again same 6.023 into 10 power 23. Clear? So if you are mentioning grams, that meaning indirectly how many atoms is there inside? Avogadro number of atoms inside. Okay. If I am mentioning any atom weight or molecule weight, inside this many atoms is there. Very simple, only 2 terms, don't confuse. H2 is molecule, that's why I'm using here molecules. Hydrogen is atom, that's why I'm using atom. But number doesn't change, that number is fixed. I'm going to discuss again one more example. Helium atom. What is the helium atom weight? If I mention helium atom mass is 4 grams, meaning how many atoms is there inside? Anyone can give? Avogadro number we can show like this: 6.023 into 10 power 23. This is nothing but you can write n naught or Na, anything. So helium weight is 4 grams, meaning how many atoms is there? Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. Helium atoms weight is how much? 4 grams. Not one atom. This many atoms weight is 1 gram. Understood? Now I am asking question. Okay. 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of, these are starting. Try to insert slowly in your brain. These are new concepts. Huh? Some people they can understand first time only. Some people it will take time. Okay, fine. That is the reason I am giving more number of examples. At least try to note down notes. Later you can see, you can understand. Atoms of carbon. I can take oxygen actually. Oxygen atom. Oxygen of oxygen. How much weight? 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of oxygen weight. How much? Anyone? Can you give answer? Yes, very good, very good. 16 grams you have to keep. Otherwise, no, that is not matching. Huh? I may can take 16 AMU also. That's why. This is 16 grams. You have to mention because of gram. That is the reason I am using this is 16 grams. Correct? Understood this one? I think so. You got, we are expecting. Next. Gram molecular mass. Same definition you can apply very easily. Gram molecular mass or molecular mass. Clear? Gram molecular mass or molecular mass. Previously we expressed atoms. Now I am going to be express molecule. What is the difference between molecule and atom? Atom is the only one particle. Molecule means combination of atoms. Is it clear? Fine. Now we can see gram molecular mass. Right, simple definition. Very simple that is. Like atomic weight only. If you are expressing molecular weight in grams is called gram molecular mass. If you are expressing molecular weight in grams is called gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass. Clear? This is also same thing. Very simple. Suppose I am giving O2 weight, oxygen, this is oxygen. If they didn't mention oxygen atom, then you have to take O2 only. Keep that point in your brain, otherwise note down. In question, they didn't mention oxygen atom, then you have to take O2 only, fixed, because oxygen never exists single atom, that always combined state. O2 weight, suppose I mention here 32 grams, means how many molecules present here? Can you give? How many molecules? How many molecules present? If O2 weight is 32 grams, I am giving. Anyone can give answer? How many molecules? Yes, we got answer, one answer. Yes. Right, don't multiply, that is, again. You are giving correct answer, but you are doing small mistake. How many molecules? 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. I am not multiplying anywhere into 2. Keep in mind, I am very clear. I am not multiplying into 2. Some people, they are multiplying into 2. Molecule is O2. So that is only this many molecules. Clear? Don't multiply into 2. Why we are multiplying into 2? I'm not asking now O2. This is one O2. That's enough. If I'm asking atoms, then you can multiply into 2 because O2 contain 2 atoms. I'm not asking atoms. I'm asking molecule. Molecule means O2. You should not multiply into 2. If you done any mistake, please find that one, avoid that one. Clear? Can I go next slide? Only one example I given. Very clear. See that one. Oxygen O2 weight 32 grams, meaning this is molecular atom, sir. Molecule. So how many molecules will be present? Avogadro number. Very simple, these things. Yes, I am giving too many examples, or I won't leave that one unless you are not getting fully. I'm trying maximum my best. If suppose you are not able to cope up, we can see again. Now see, suppose CO2 weight I given here 44 grams. How many molecules is there? CO2 weight you can calculate. How to calculate? Already you know that one molecular weight. Starting classes we discussed that one. Which is we discussed starting classes. That is only I'm repeating again here. Even who are absent starting classes doesn't matter. Okay. Just if you know atomic weight, that's we are using 12 plus 32. This is equal to 44. Even who are absent, these are only starting 2 classes we discussed. No? 44 grams means again same thing. 6.023 into 10 power 23. Whenever molecular weight came exactly, this is the atoms. You can follow blindly, that is. Clear? Very good. You are giving correct answers. Very good. Most of the people they get correct only. No. So whenever we are giving molecular weight means Avogadro number of atoms. This is very clear. Okay. Any doubt here? Fine. H2O weight I am giving. H2O. 18 grams I am giving. H2O weight is 18 grams. How many water molecules is present here? Same again. 6.023 into 10 power 23. I think she got very clearly. No doubt at all. I'm expecting this is gram molecular mass also. Now I am giving one more question. Try to solve everyone. Already we practiced how to solve molecular weights. That's the reason I am giving here. MgCl2 dot. Sorry, you can take. KCl dot MgCl2. Yeah, that is also correct. Nothing is wrong. 6H2O. Name of this compound I am writing. If anyone you are able to remember, you can remember. Later we are going to be do all these things. You need to remember later. Carnallite. Carnallite. Name of this compound. I need molecular mass of this compound in grams. Molar mass means you have to express in grams only. Okay. Suppose I'm asking what is the molar mass of this molecule. I hope already we given starting classes potassium weight. How much you can take potassium weight? Anyway, I'm giving potassium weight also. Some people, they are new people, for them I am giving 39. Cl weight 35.5 we can take. Magnesium weight you can take 24. Hydrogen weight 1 gram. And oxygen weight you can take 16. So I need molecular weight of this completely. Anyone give an answer? Four 44. Try. 277, 277.5. Japit something. Can miss 11th. 277.5 grams. And Atish, yes, correct. Maybe some people are doing calculation mistakes, addition, subtractions. That's why doing mistakes. 277.5 grams, I think so. Exactly answer we are expecting. Please check again who are not getting correct answers. When I am pronouncing your names may not be properly, please don't take negatively. Just take fun. Huh? You also can enjoy that one. 277.5, correct. Yes. After 0.5, 0.8 doesn't matter. Huh? At least you got idea. That is my intensity. Because same question you won't get in examination. Can I give one more question? Will you ready to solve? If you're interested, you can do one more question. Okay, fine. Yes. And this one more also, which we are going to be using in our future. That is the purpose I'm giving those molecules. We can solve randomly easy molecule also, no issue. But anyway, we are doing, you can do good things. K2SO4 dot Al2 SO4 taken thrice. Okay. Dot 24H2O. Keep in mind this we called potash alum. This is potash alum. Keep in mind, this is we are going to be studying 11th standard only. I need molecular mass of this is. Just adding all these things, addition, subtractions, you know very well, then very easy that is. And here I given 24 H2O, you can multiply 24 into H2O weight. Okay, take this is completely plus this is plus this is. Can you try? Anything you need here? Extra aluminum, I think so. Some people who are absent for them. Don't see these values. If you are able to solve yourself, very good by remembering all these weights. I think so. 27 aluminum and sulfur 32. And previously I given all these elements weights. Yeah, we can see that is Pratibhan something. He is in KNMS or somewhere. Yeah, I hope he given correct answer. We are expecting. Okay, don't write molecules. I'm asking weight grams. Okay, don't write molecules. Are you getting my voice now? Not clear? Are yes or no at least? Are you getting my voice or not? Okay, fine. Thank you. Are some people they are not getting? Please let me know that one. If anything is there, we can change. Clear? Yes, fine. Yeah. How many people you got, sir? 948. 948 is the correct answer. Even sometimes maybe I'm also wrong. If anyone you got 948 exactly, you can check. Yes. Even late also doesn't matter. Try to solve yourself. You can get. Any doubt? 948 how to get? By adding simply potassium 2 into 39 potassium weight, sir, because 2 potassium plus 96, I think so, sulfate and 96. After that 2 into 27 aluminum weight plus how many sulfates? 3. 96 into 3 plus 24 into 18. By doing all these things, I think you will get 948 in grams. Per expressing gram mean this is 1 mole. This is a molecular weight. Understood? And how to calculate molecular weight in grams means you can find that is. Now I am asking very simple question. 3.01 into 10 power 23 molecules of O2 weight in grams. How much? Anyone can give answer? Or if you are not getting, I will discuss. You don't worry that one. Just I'm asking. If you are able to, some people they can solve. You can do. Maybe 3.015 something you need because I'm using 2.3 na. Okay, approximately can take, doesn't matter. 3.01. 3.01 into 10 power 23 molecules of O2 weight is already given. Some people answer 8 grams, 16 grams. Yeah, we can find. Yeah, you got correct answer. You don't worry. Array, we know only one concept blindly. You can proceed, that is blindly. No, don't think anything. Okay. 6.023 or 21 or 22, whatever you can take, into 10 power 23 molecules of oxygen weight. How much? Blindly you can write. This is first step. You have to remember that is fixed. 32 grams. Is clear? Then this many molecules weight equal to how much? Just crisscross method. 3.01 into 10 power 23 molecules of O2 weight equal to how much? Clear? Then crisscross. Just we are multiplying. Cross multiplication, sir. Just we are doing like this. Cross multiply. This is x, you can assume. So x equal to what you can write? X you can take here, this side, and 32 into, you can take this value up 3.01 into 10 power 23 by 6.02 into 10 power 23. Correct? So 23 will cancel, and 3 2 times. So finally x equal to 32 by 2. How much will get, sir? 16. This is the actual calculation. Otherwise, if you apply a little bit common sense, you can try. So this is 6.02. Half of this only we are getting this value. If this become half means 32 also become half. See, 6.02 into 10 power 23 by 2 only I am getting this value. Is it correct? By 2. If this become half means this also become half. 32 half how much? 16. You can apply here all our vegetable calculations. All are vegetable calculations. Understood? So answer should be 16 grams. You can see if you are not getting this point. Okay, shall we try one more question? Try. I'm giving question. Okay. Calculate the number of molecules present in. Calculate the number of molecules present in 11 grams of CO2. 11 grams of CO2. Can you solve? Yes, try it. Calculate the number of molecules present in 11 grams of CO2. Anyone you done, sir? Yes, yes. Already you got answers. Very good, very good. Good. Yes, very good. I try remaining people. Already some people have given answers. All these are vegetable calculation. 1 dozen equal to 20 rupees. Then half dozen equal to how much? Like that way of things. Very simple, all these things. Don't take too much difficult. These are chemistry. Very simple calculations. Everyone you can do these are. Yes, yes. Most of the people, yes, almost all they given correct answers. Very good, sir. Very good. Very simple thing. I know that one. But if you are not able to see any color, let me know that one. Huh? We'll see that one. 6 point. Try to understand who are newly attended my class. Into 23 into 10 power 23. Molecules of CO2 how much, sir? 44 grams, because equal to molecular weight only. Then my question is, 11 grams contain how many molecules? Just cross multiplication. Keep as it is, x equal to cross this is. You can multiply these are cross. I can write x equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. Sorry, 23, no? 23 by, I think so, into 11 is there. 11 by 44. Don't disturb this is. 11, you can cancel this is 4 times. Then you make and take 6.023 into 10 power 23 by 4. Yes, some people have done very good by cancelling this is. 2 times means 3 point, I think so 1.5 into 10 power 23 given. Correct answer, sir. You all you given correct answers. Very good. Yes, yes. There is some people they done 4 into, that is wrong. Huh? By 4 you will get, not into. Not into, by 4 you will get. Into means you are doing something wrong. You can check here which you are doing wrong. This is fixed. You can do, this is blindly you have to follow. When I am asking, its molecular weight means this many molecules is there. That is fixed. One doesn't 12, it won't change. No? That is never. Like that, any molecular weight they are given means we can use that one. I think so you understood this point we are expecting. There are still mole based problems we can do. And after that, according to run NCERT they given law of chemical combinations they given. That's we are going to be discussed. Nowadays they are not giving these questions, but still you can see. Laws of chemical combinations. Is it clear? Laws of chemical combinations. Actually, before that one, Dalton's law is there. Dalton's he said that one we can't divide atom into particles. Again, subatomic particles not possible. Which is the simplest part participate in chemical reactions is atom. Okay, and that is non-divisible. So whatever chemical reactions are going to be right, and everything that is participate only atoms. Okay, atoms we can write in terms of atoms. That is Dalton's theory. Simple theory is there. Based on that, again after that we have some theories. First one, right? First law, the law of you can write spelling. The law of, again if you have NCERT you can use indestructibility. Indestructibility of matter, or law of conservation of mass. The law of conservation of mass, you can write, sir, or this is matter, or law of conservation of mass. I think so most of the people you know this one very well. Right. Here given scientist name is Lavoisier. Pronunciation your wish. Whatever you want you can pronounce it, sir. That is. He won't live right now. He won't say single word why you are pronouncing my name. He won't ask you. Whatever you want you can do. According to this one, I'm giving first basic thing. After that, if you want, you can write your own definition also. Law of chemical combination means whenever they are participating in the reaction chemicals, C plus CO2 I will get. This is solid you can take. This is gas and this is gas. Total reactant mass equal to product mass. So again, we have some definition: mass never be created and never be destroyed. Okay, that word also is there. That is the law of conservation of mass. Here, total mass of reactant equal to total mass of product. So reactant mass how much? One carbon weight is 12 grams. O2 is 32. Then CO2 weight is 44 here. So total reactant mass how much, sir? Total reactant equal to also 12 plus 32 equal to 44, and product also 44. So total reactant mass equal to product mass. Can you write the statement? According to this law, the total mass of products is equal to the total mass of reactants, or total mass of reactants equal to product mass. Is it clear? Hurry. Okay. Maybe didn't get my voice. Array, this is, what is that? Lavoisier is a scientist name. He given the statement 1774. This year. He is scientist. He proposed that one that year. Huh? Lavoisier is the scientist name. He proposed this law in this year. I think you got main theme of this concept. Total reactant mass equal to product mass. One single word. Is it clear? Any doubt? Shall we go next law? I will discuss, sir. All we will discuss. You don't worry. Okay. I'm going next slide. You can write next law is law of definite or constant proportion. And if you write sentence fast, that is better. If I'm writing on screen, it will take too much time. Because which I'm using device, these pens are not that much comfort. That's why handwriting also you can't understand sometimes. Constant proportion. Right. Here also I'm giving scientist name and year. Proust. Array pronunciation up to you, sir. 1799, sir. This is the year given. First listen. After that, you can write your own statement. Array, I think so. Everyone, you are English medium only. I'm expecting. You are not purely Tamil medium. Okay. Your CBSE means I think so. You are English medium only. You can write your own one sentence at least. Make yourself. Nothing is wrong here. Even I won't say wrong, which is you wrote statements. Okay. Whatever you understood, try to write your own statement. That is more than enough. Array, science means like that only. Whatever you understood, you have to write. Always you should not write what I am understanding. Science means you have to think differently. Huh? I'm giving here one example you can see. CaCO3. I'm heating, sir. I'm preparing CO2. I'm preparing CO2. I'm doing CO2 preparation, sir. Carbon dioxide. I'm preparing. You can write preparation of carbon dioxide or preparation of CO2. You can write. I'm doing. I think are able to see screen by using different color. CaCO3. I'm heating. I will get here CaO plus CO2. I'm using here carbon, solid plus O2. This is gas anyway, CO2. I can think again, maybe some people they can object, color is sir. CaCO3 plus 2HCl. And I need products here. Anyone you can give product? CaO, just take cation anion. What is the cation here? Ca2 plus. This is anion, sir. Here cation plus and minus, back crisscross. You can do CaCl2 plus, anyway, H2CO3 unstable, that's why I'm writing H2 and CO2. So we done here preparation of CO2 here and here. three different methods I'm using, then I got finally CO2. Any doubt here? So here I've got three different methods. By using three different methods, I got CO2. Yes, correct. H2CO3 again that will dissociate. Correct only. Nothing is wrong. Correct. Good. This is the CO2. In these CO2, what is the carbon and oxygen? How much there? In CO2, carbon is here also 12 grams and 32 grams. Is it correct? Now what about here? Here also same thing, na? 12, 32. Array carbon weight is 12 grams and O2 is 32. Here also same thing, na? 12, 32. 12, 32. Now what is the statement citing, sir? Law of definite or constant proportion. If any compound that forming particular compound, that weight ratio, what is the weight ratio here? What is the weight of carbon here? 12 grams. And what is the oxygen weight here? 32. Can you take ratio here? What you will get? I think so 3:8. Is it correct? Weight ratio. Here also same 3:8. Here also 3:8. I just take 12 by 32. Doesn't matter here. 3:8. What's the meaning that one? Whatever some particular compound we are preparing by different methods, doesn't matter. Their composition doesn't change. Their composition is fixed. Constant proportion or composition is fixed. All the cases we have only 12 grams of carbon, 32 grams of oxygen. That is fixed. So that ratio is constant or not? That's why they are using that is definite or constant. So irrespective of the preparation method, particular compound have their composition is fixed. Irrespective of the preparation method. I am using this one preparation method, this is second, this is third. Irrespective of the method. All the cases, particular compound have particular composition that doesn't change. That doesn't depends upon preparation method. Correct? If you want, you can note down on small sentence. Okay. What's the weight ratio we are getting here? 3:8, sir. All the cases 3:8. Take 12 by 32. We'll get same answer. If you want, you can write, sir, one statement here. All right. A chemical compound has a fixed composition. A chemical compound has a fixed composition and it does not depends on the method of its preparation. The method of its preparation or the source from which has been obtained. Read the statement. Then which will be given all equations matching or not. Statement, try to understand. Statement is not different, equations is not different. A chemical compound has a fixed composition and it does not depends on the method of its preparation. Or the source from which has been obtained. So it doesn't matter where we have got these things. Clear? This is some basic concepts of chemistry only. Even textbook also they given same statements. You can find out. Any doubt? Can we go further law or next law? Otherwise, if you need any slides, I will show that one. We are doing very, very simple things. Still, actually, we didn't enter exactly main lesson. Maybe it will take next week onwards, we'll enter fully our lesson because this law of combinations will finish next class. Then we are going to be enter moles, okay, mole concept, exactly mole concept. From that onwards, we can do more number of numericals. So after that, we can get too many questions. If you have any textbook, you can practice. Clear? Mostly one more class required for us. One more class required to do all these things. Okay. Last. After last, we can do sir next. Any other slides, sir? You can see here. And I told very clearly atomic mass or atomic weight equal to its Avogadro number. This many particles is there. Only one point this class I given mainly. The next class mostly today Friday, no? I think Saturday, Sunday you don't have class. Hmm? From Monday only have class. I think so I given my WhatsApp number. You can ask them. They will give any material. They will provide mostly our Seekers Institute. If they are not able to provide, I think so Monday onwards we can see that one. Some worksheet, something I will provide for practice purpose. If you have already textbooks, you can use that. You can use it. That is. No need to buy so many books. I will suggest you later. Good books. Also, don't worry. Just follow our Seekers material also too good. Okay. Any one book you have to practice 100%. Then followed by previous questions. Slide 3. And slowly we'll discuss how to study, how to remember also all these things. From your side, I need only support. Whatever we discuss that one, that day only have to practice. Okay. If done, that is fine. All these recording things you can ask. I think so. Host that is what some people is there. Seeker people that conducting all these things. Seekers, they can send recording videos, which is they record these things. Even after listening, that is, if you are not getting, doesn't matter. You can request them. Other than our classes, one day you can take class. Any other slide? There is someone they're asking continuously. 7th slide. All these things they have in your textbook. Don't worry. If you have interestingly this chemical combination, please we can read NCERT book. We can understand. Okay, if you are not getting, no issue. That is next class we'll discuss. We can discuss next class. If we read once at least, we can go fast. Then we can think. We can discuss more important concept. Little bit more time. Are 6.023 or 6.02 is matter. Both are correct. Otherwise, if you have doubt, just look NCERT book. What is the matter? Then whatever exactly value they give, that's only you can note down. Actually, these constant values they will provide in examination. But if you need exact value, you can see. Or you may can take break. Now class is over mostly. Some people looking bored. Okay, you can take break. Fine. Any other slide you need? Some people you can ask. You can say that one. One more time. 8th slide they're asking. I think so. This is the 8th slide. You can see anything doubt here. Don't worry. Remaining slides also open. 4, 5. This is the 8th slide. So they are given only ratio is constant irrespective of the preparation method. That is the reason we call constant proportion. Just try to understand statement. Constant proportion. I think so. Then someone there asked 4th slide. Same examples I given. That's only examples I mentioned. You can see what is the requirement here. So it's molecular weight equal to Avogadro number. If I'm telling anything molecular weight means that indirectly they contain how many atoms? Avogadro number. Blindly you can remember. Today where you are going, you are thinking something. These two concepts today what we discussed, try to recollect. Not by using book. When you are walking, when you are even in between, we are looking movies or something. Na? In between advertisement will come. Instead of that advertisement, remember our chemistry. Recollect our chemistry. Okay. The next class will get perfectly. Fifth slide. This is you can take break. Huh? If you are understood, you can take break because next class you need to prepare. Who have doubts, those only can stay. Remaining you can take break. Thank you very much, everyone.